Yeah.
We seen that nigga
10 speed.
3 times today.
It's in track mode.
In 2 different cities. Take that shit out of track, put up as a sport. You gonna hate it.
Hold on, you going off the curb.
Oh.
Back up.
I was finna go that way and turn around.
Your tire literally on the curb. It's about to hang out. You see that end right there?
Oh, that curve. Oh, shit.
It's gonna drop.
Hold on. Can't do that.
Yeah, you was hanging like right there.
Oh, this steering wheel tight than the
It's in
bitch.
track mode. I can make it loose, though. You have to go to tour mode.
Oh, hell nah. Keep this bitch in track.
Now put it in sport.
It's still gonna be tight.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they keep it in track then. Fuck it.
Then we gonna hold our PMs.
Shit, yeah. I'm about to say, boy, that bitch gonna slide, boy. Hit that bitch in the curb, that bitch gonna boogie.
Oh, this bitch tight as hell. This steering wheel tight than a motherfucker. Boy.
All that shit.
Damn.
I don't see how y'all be seeing the differences.
No, you'll see the difference.
Nigga, how did this sport earlier? I ain't really made no weird turn.
My Condor?
Tell you the same thing I told Tom. Your ticket is your ticket.
Oh, God.
This bright red bitch gets attention.
They spinning.
Damn. Okay, little 10 speed.
Man, shake some ass in this bitch.
Hell nah, that nigga too close.
That bitch gonna go straight up against his door.
I don't see niggas like Honda.
Damn. What the fuck?
Been tightened up though.
Couple niggas.
When I had this bitch out, I'll cut the cats out.
I wanna spin this hoe. I ain't gonna do it though.
I'm about to say, please save my time.
I'ma save them motherfuckers.
I should have known spun it earlier because I seen that shit that ate up on this side because that's the way I was swinging it.
Yeah.
Hope that nigga don't look at that shit with 12. I had to pay the other nigga with that scat pack that I took to the trail right there. I had to pay that.
I thought you just bought a new tire.
Nigga, I bought, yeah, he sent me the receipt. He went and bought 2 new tires. Them bitch was $220 each. I had to pay that nigga $400 or something.
Damn.
That bitch rocked the seat, nigga. You just made that bitch snap.
Man, that shit came all the way back.
Did y'all see that video of that nigga?
We don't get that nigga, man. Go get that nigga, man. Go get that nigga, man. You don't want that shit. Give it to me.
Give me a first shake, man.
Give me the first shake. Give it to him. I'm my bitch.
That nigga in first shake. That's something you told me. Alright.
What he wanna do? I give him a 40.
Slow down.
He better not try to run off.
Cruise with it. Yep, keep it right there. High up. Oh, that nigga play with a laptop. Hold on. Oh. Nigga play right with the doing that.
40? Ready? He's doing that bitch. Damn. He's going down. He's doing that bitch. What the fuck is that?
That bitch moving though.
Oh God, that motherfucker light.
That nigga start fucking with shit. Fuck.
Ooh, wee, what the fuck is that?
I don't know. My house is another direction though.
I'm finna turn around. Huh?
Me
I'm already knowing.
We don't either.
I see him. Dre, I see him. We got Brimbos nigga. I seen. Bro, I seen his ass. We got them Brimbos, that's why I wasn't worried. Damn.
He got a two-step on that shit, nigga.
That bitch speak.
Oh my God.
And damn, that sound like that motherfucker had some anti-lag, nigga.
That bitch said,
Bro, he caught me that first time. I wasn't shifting that bitch right.
That was the first shake right there. You seen him boogie over there in the lane?
Yeah. We were getting loose too, shit. I should have
no
man, I should have let this motherfucker in regular drive. I had that bitch in the paddle.
That bitch, that's why I said.
That nigga
You
on the
think the paddle
swingers.
shit to make it faster, but no.
That drive,
bitch
yeah,
work. That bitch
on
work.
God.
That bitch work.
That motherfucker nasty. Boy, what the fuck is that?
I don't know, that shit got some shit done to it though for shit show.
I got 340.
I'm glad he ain't got no turbo. He would have cut our ass if he had a turbo.
Turbo and he would have.
He do got turbo. You didn't hear the bitch. That's why it's spooling up the way. It's a BMW. All BMWs got turbo. It's crazy.
That motherfucker quit. Dre, I got the wheel, bro. Calm down.
Jail, man, for the shit himself.
I ain't scared of that boss on that nigga too though.
Hold his ass in.
Yeah. Cause if he don't hold these curves just like you, then he fought.
Yeah.
I say,
It's the
you know,
curve they
I
got me.
trust your driving.
No, I know Shay can drive. That ain't the issue.
What you think I can drive?
I'm tired. You too reckless with it, bro.
I just
You
like,
don't do it the smooth way.
I was like a dickhead, bro. I love when that shit jank. Oh shit. That was smooth.
You know they been keep this motherfucker take them curves. Damn, look at that nigga behind me. Huh?
That smoke back
All right, bro. Don't burn off my goddamn.
Alright, I got you.
Yeah, don't burn off my motherfucker.
We gone, bro. We
You
gone.
put 20 in this bitch, that bitch just move up a goddamn.
Oh god.
We gone, bro.
Don't fuck it.
Alright, bro. That was fun. Joe, let me drive to Houston. I mean, not Houston, Waco. I mean, fuck, Belton.
Hear that? Look, he having fun in that Beamer. Shit. What this is? The same shit?
Nah, just you gotta use the pedal shift. That
Oh.
ain't gonna shift itself.
It's not.
Not in manual mode. Yeah, that big ain't gonna shift itself.
I wonder what that is. That ain't no M, is it?
No, it's a 340i. It ain't no
One hand? Say hold up in one hand?
you don't gotta shift itself. Let that bitch do it by itself.
No, I got it in the manual mode.
Oh,
I forgot the traction was on off and I'ma chill though. I'ma chill.
with a bunch of belt ties
Oh God.
and games.
Damn, yeah, that shit deep as hell.
Got football practice. And it be bright red too.
Oh, it's so reflective off this real good.
This 10-speed cool as hell though. Shit.
You ain't even see that bitch work for a second.
I'm knowing.
Bitch in the city.
You gotta get that bitch on the highway. You ain't seen that bitch working, you can take green again. On the other side of 100, shit.
That bitch still
That
cool.
bitch get the
Nigga think that bitch gonna
RPM
stop,
barely
it's
drop.
still
That bitch
going.
Still doing it. RPM don't even drop for real. Still banging another
Like
bitch.
it's Honda lights. I love when they put them shits in the Honda. This shit hard.
That bitch still jumping up 5 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour.
I'm gonna get a Honda cool.
That bitch gonna shake, say.
I know.
Right? That bitch gonna boogie. Especially if you kneel it.
And I hate it. I ain't nailing that bitch.
That bitch gonna shake.
Little sizzle dizzle. This shit is smooth as fuck. I think I still rather have the vet though, I ain't gonna lie. I still,
The vet move faster too though.
yeah, that, bro, I'm trying to build like a I don't even want that bitch a track car. I want that bitch a street car, just killing niggas on the street.
Way faster. I agree. But I just can't do no vet. It's way
Yeah, that
too
bitch,
sporty.
that bitch sporty as
That's
fuck.
just pure sport. I can't have pure sport.
Nigga only drive that bitch to race.
I like the little looks that do come in.
Yeah.
I don't want pure sport. I get sick of this shit.
That bitch do got the ambient lighting in that hoe.
Yeah, I don't want just a pure ass sports car. Fuck it. That bitch made to do one thing only, and I don't want to do that all the time.
Go straight, nigga. That bitch trying to.
That bitch gonna throw out some boost, and that track ain't gonna be able to hold.
Which way you going, gang? Damn.
Hey, boy.
What that was?
Oh, shit. Shit.
The big dude said rough road ahead, nah. Shit.
Let me chill.
That was ego, nigga.
Damn it, we ain't got my shit.
What?
Then we ain't got my shit tearing up. This nigga.
You gonna come back and ride me a ticket for not having a seatbelt on.
Sir, I can't fit in this shit, sir.
I'm like, fuck. 6'3", bro, I can't help it. It's only 6'8" on a good day, though. 6'8" nonchalant red,
Then this bitch shit so on point, nigga. Other shits be lagging.
Well, when it's, I ain't gonna lie, when it's at high RPM, this shit late. You gotta bump that bit early. Like when you nail that bit to the flow,
Yeah.
bump it, it's gonna delay. Shit.
This shit been shifting on
What I
point.
gotta do about small.
Yo, I was gone. This one you was in basic.
All you gotta do about small.
Hit this nigga.
That nigga looking like, bro.
He's still hard than a bitch. EYNs.
What got a fox? Is that a fox body? What the fuck is that?
Yeah. So old ass fucking.
That's not been taken care of. That just been sitting there for a
Fuck
while.
on side of the road.
Now, let me the fuck out this back seat. My neck hurt like a hug.
I know you're right. Tired of that shit.
What? Dre been a bitch. Y'all have to be picky.
Nah, that's hard.
That L16. That's not it, nigga. All right, bro. It's a 5.4, nigga. Okay, goddamn, we get you at a 5.7, bro. Cool, bro. I don't give a fuck about your 5.7. Bro, we'll get to 6.4. Fuck, bro. 6.4 supercharged, right? You always a hell of gas, nigga. Shut up, nigga. I guess you're right, nigga. Okay. All right, bro. It's a. All right, bro. It's a you thought too long, nigga. You ain't say shit, nigga. It's a 6'5", bro. Fuck. 6'7", 6'6", nigga. 6'6", nigga. My phone finna down, bro. I don't give a fuck, man. You ain't getting out, nigga. Like you though, man. Ain't doing that, man. And I put you on child line. You're not getting out. You stay in my car, man. Nigga, where you going, man? Nigga, get it right, man. Nigga, say the number, nigga. You know exactly what the number is. 6'2", bro. 6'2", bro. Awesome, man. Get out my shit, man. Oh, shit, my head hurt.